Welcome to Enbrook in Naples, Florida. This gated residential community includes 298 attached villa homes. Amenities offered include Bocce Court, Clubhouse, community pool, community room, exercise room, internet access, pickleball courts, sidewalks, a tennis court, and underground utilities. The community is conveniently situated near US 41 and just east of Highway 951, and residents have easy access to all Naples has to offer. Enbrook is located in a community development district also called a CDD. Within just a few minutes you will find grocery stores, gas stations, banking, dining options, a home improvement store, and several chain retail stores. Enbrook is located approximately 7 miles from Marco Island and 9 miles from downtown Old Naples. For information on resale homes at Enbrook, please contact Southwest Coast Realty in Naples. Call 239-229-9926. There is a link to the available resale homes at Enbrook in the video description below. If you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss our next informative video on Southwest Florida real estate. Thanks for watching.